Microsoft and Excel have the ability to wrap text, although in Microsoft Excel it's called wrap text, and in Google Sheets it's called text wrap. So we see in Microsoft Excel the A1 column and row, and there's just too many words to fit into that cell. So what we can do is we can go up in the Home tab, as you see here, and click on the button that says Wrap Text. Now there is a limit to how much it can fit into that, even with the Wrap Text button clicked. So in some cases you may end up having to bring down the column in order to fit everything in. But it does allow you to fit everything into one column. Now, the Google Sheets option is a little bit different. So there's Google Sheets, the exact same statement, and what I want to do is go over and choose text wrapping. So I'm going to click the drop down, and I'm going to choose wrap. And there it is. So let's do that once again, but in a different place. This is a wrap of my text. All right, so we have the exact same issue that we had before, but this time we can use the menus at the top. So we'll go up to Format and choose Text Wrapping and choose Wrap. And there we go. So this is how you use text wrap and wrap text in both Google Sheets as well as Microsoft Excel.